So in here is a toilet and shower and a sink.
Well, we've got lots of toiletries.
And this is the hallway.
What's behind you? There's lots of storage, isn't there?
Yeah.
Excuse the mess.
But nothing in.
No, there's plenty of storage though.
But just Mummy's hair straighteners and a lot of snow.
What's in this cupboard here?
Radio and a fridge.
That's a safe.
Oh, safe.
And there's condiments.
And in here, nothing again.
That's all our gear that they gave us. What did we get? What did they give us?
Don't know.
Don't know. What have we been wearing for the past few days? It's not ours. But snowsuits.
Snowsuit.
Socks.
Sock.
Boots.
Boot.
And gloves.
And gloves. And this is where we keep our stuff. It's our snowsuit. Snowsuit. The show.
Yeah, there's your snowsuit. They're big, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, that went away. And this is a bed.
A bed, yeah, we've done that. This is outside.
With a balcony.
But we don't open the door because we couldn't get it to lock, could we?
No.
And what's upstairs?
Let's have a look. And a TV there.
Oh, yes, a big TV.
And very strange stairs. And here's 2 beds with a chair and nice view with some people in that restaurant, with people walking up and down the hill.
We had a lot of snow overnight, didn't we?
Yeah. And 2 beds here.